special day today.
Hey, fellas.
How's it going, YouTube? You gonna tell me what we're doing?
We're going to get a dog. Little pit bull puppy. Guess we're gonna name him
Creed.
You and I were always on the edge.
Creed. We're on the way. We're going to Ohio. We're about an hour and a half out. And yeah, we'll take a video whenever he's in the car, whenever we got him. But yeah, so stay tuned because this video is going to be all about the dog. So
Also, let us know if you guys rocking the goatees.
yeah, you guys like the goatees?
Or we should go read that.
So never mind.
No, go ahead.
I was gonna say. Remember when we told you that we had a big announcement to make about fitness? Well, me and Mike were doing our first bodybuilding competition come March of 2020. Doing it at our college, Mr. SRU. Me and Mike were both competing. So we're going to document the bulk, which will start like October, mid to late October, and we'll update you on our PRs and everything, our progress and everything, and then end of December is when we're gonna start cutting for the show.
After the holidays.
This will be our very first prep. We've never done this before, like ever. So it should be an interesting experience, and we're hoping to do pretty good because next year we're gonna do that show in March, and then we're gonna try and do 2 other shows that year. So depending on how it goes, that's what we're gonna do. So stick along for the video and we'll explain more. Well, Navigator took us 4 hours away from the breeder we were going to, so
We're not leaving without a dog.
we found another breeder, and yeah, so
Exit left.
we're still getting a dog.
Wasn't trying to drive
We were literally
2 hours.
In 10 miles,
We were 4
take
hours
the exit
away
toward Chagrin Boulevard
from
and
our
Ohio
destination.
87.
So, yeah, there was no way. But we're not leaving Ohio without a dog.